Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Let's have some fun. Subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend. My channel is pretty much let's have some fun. You'll see a day in my life with cats, chickens, home, travel, and more. So check out the long and short videos. Prayer and hugs to all those who made it. You are somebody, you're special, and you're loved. Let your light shine bright for others to see. Spread lots of love, kindness, joy. So let's have some fun. It is the Saturday. It stopped raining. And we're in eastern North Carolina. Friends. Silky chickens. Hi guys. We have a few babies. There's my buddy Mr. Freckles and all his friends. And there's one sleeping down here. See her? She's sleeping down there. There's all the rest of them. One of my white ones is a rooster, so I might have to get rid of one of the white ones. They're a rooster. I think it's that one. And I got some splash color, black ones, gray, a red and brown, white and brown, and a little one that looks like brownie. That one there is marshmallow. The white and brown color looks like a toasted marshmallow. And then Ginger Snap is the redhead. And then we got Brownie is, one looks like a brownie. We got Freckles and Checkers and Oreo, Little Star. John is Hoppers because she likes to hop. He has a bad foot. We got Cookie Splash, Cupcake Sugar, Cotton Snow, Smoky, Patches. Dottie. There's Checkers. He's got blue wattles. Freckles has red. And a bunch of more babies I gotta sell. Yeah, that's Cookie and Marshmallow and Splash. And we got Cupcake. There's Patches sleeping. So stay tuned for all the upcoming videos. Check out all the others. And you may see photos with music. And little photos pop up from Google Photos. So come back and see us. Hope you enjoy your day. Have a bright sunshine day. Tell your friends, let's come have some fun. Have us a good time. We'll see you next time on Fun with Tanya. We're going to have lots of fun and cherish memories and laughter and smiles and hugs and joy and blessings. So come check us out. Bye-bye. So here's 3 mamas and all their munchkins. They just hatched, so we got some more babies. It's another mama. And two more mamas and all the little munchkins. Here we got marbles. Fresh water and food. Fresh water and food. Yep, my splash colors are splash cookie, marbles, and cupcake. White ones are snow, cotton, sugar. The brown and white one is a toasted marshmallow. Redhead is ginger snaps. And then I got checkers is blue waddles with a little bit of teal in us, feathers. Freckles is the red one, the older rooster. John, Hopper is one hopping. Little Star, Dottie, Oreo. Dottie are all the black ones. Smokey is gray. Patches is a gray speckle. Brownie is gray speckle. I have like 2, maybe 3 roosters now, and 12 hens. And don't ask me how many babies. I live out in the country on a little farm with silky chickens. They're short and fluffy. 2 black kitty cats. Take care of my dad with dementia. We're out here in a quiet little neck of the woods. It's only 10, 11 a.m. and it's already hot. The rain finally stopped and it's like hotter than a firecracker. It's a hot, hot summer. Hot, hot summer. This is the yard. You may see deer, wild turkeys, squirrels, bunny rabbits, foxes. You may see hawks in the sky, woodpeckers, all kinds of birds, and lizards and bees, and tree froggies. And butterflies and hummingbirds. Here's the little flower garden. Aloe roses, lilies, lantana, butterfly bush, irises, gladiolas, Dadelia, all out here. This is the country. Blueberry bushy. So check us out with all the long and short videos. You can come have some fun and tell your friends. We have 154 subscribers, so let's get it up. If we get 1,000, then I can go live. So check us out on the YouTube channel. Lots of fun with Tanya, your host. Y'all have a safe day, cool day. Come and see us. Check out the videos. Y'all come back now and visit us. We're having some fun, so come and see us. Bye-bye.